Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today I'm in Frisco, Texas, staying at the stylish Hotel Indigo. Let's check out my room. First up, the space, modern, chic, and super cozy. Love the elegant touches, the comfy bed, and check this out, plenty of workspace if you're here for business. But what really makes this stay special? The view. Just look at this, Frisco skyline, and if you're lucky, you might catch a stunning Texas sunset. And of course, Hotel Indigo is right in the heart of Frisco, so you're minutes away from amazing dining and entertainment. So if you're ever in Frisco and looking for a stylish, comfy stay, Hotel Indigo is a solid choice. I'm here at Frisco, Texas. It's one of the cities here in Texas. So I'm just, this is nearby our hotel. So that's the hotel that I stayed in at the moment. That's the Hotel Indigo, Frisco. And you can see very nice, like berries here. It's my first time. No, there's a lot in here. See? The berries. I love it. This looks like the one that we have for Christmas decorations. Yeah, so very nice view here over the lake. Very nice. So that's the hotel that I've stayed in, the Hotel Indigo. This is actually a new hotel here, and this is under the same company that I work with, IHG Hotels and Resorts. So later on. Now we're heading to Jollibee Frisco with my good friend Rhosie and her adorable daughter Isla. It's so great to have Jollibee here in Frisco, Filipino comfort food just a drive away. Who else grew up loving Chicken Joy? Because I know we did. Jollibee has been expanding in the US, and it's amazing to see how popular it's becoming. Filipinos and even non-Filipinos love it. And here it is, the legendary Chicken Joy, crispy, juicy, and that gravy, perfection. And of course we had to get the Jolly Spaghetti, sweet, cheesy, and full of nostalgia. Now, we are on a road trip to Dallas, and guess what? Rhosie and her family are picking up their brand new Subaru. Subaru is known for its reliability and safety, perfect for Rhosie's family adventures. Plus, Road trips like this are about the journey just as much as the destination. Well, that's a wrap on today's adventure. Huge congrats to Rosie's family on their new Subaru, wishing you many safe and happy drives ahead.